Hey, hi, this is Shashwat Vats. I'm currently AVP Marketing with a digital lending platform in Bangalore. I started investing a meager amount of around 500,000 rupees at an age of 2021, and I think that 500 rupees, even if it sounds very small, it does count and it does compound into something really big after some time. So do not underestimate the power of compounding. The thought of around keeping 10 to 20% of your hard earned money first in the first week of your month, and then start thinking about the rest of the spends for the month is something that has worked wonders for me. When you come from a middle class family, there's always a safety net that you are chasing, right? So there was something that I always knew that I have to fend for myself, and investing was something that always felt very natural to me. And all my years, I think I've always had certain targets here and there, be it my education, my higher studies, that everything that I've funded all by myself is something net result of the right set of investment tools and ideas that I have taken ahead with. At an age of 50, I think what I would probably value is the time that I have, the disposable time that I have. I'm not chasing anything super aggressively, and all of this would be possible only because I believe that I would have taken the right set of investment decisions in my life, and that would give me the security. So for folks who are starting early in the investment journey, maybe in their early 20s, one prudent advice that I would give to them is start early. Have your processes in place. For example, for me, something that worked out was a 10 to 20% of initial amount to be taken out for the investment, and then plan your spends around it. And yeah, sometimes once in a while do take risks in your life as well, because some risks do pay you well when you've taken it in a much more calculated manner.